begin with the computation of median from group data, right? So the formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus f divided by fm whole into I. There is also a second formula where we can take the upper limit, but here we have to take the lower limit, right? So L stands for the lower limit of the class interval containing the median. N by 2 is half of the total number of frequencies. Why half? Because we all know that median is the exact 50%, exact point that divides the distribution into two equal halves. Therefore, we have to take n by 2. F means cumulative frequencies below the median. Cumulative frequencies means all the frequencies which are added together from the bottom to the top or from the top to the bottom on the basis of the spread of the scores. Then frequency median, FM means frequency of the class interval where median lies, or it is also known as FM means frequency median, where median lies, जहाँ में median होगा उसका frequency. I is the size of the length of the class interval. So let us find out the steps for calculation. Although these steps are not to be written when any question comes straight away in the final exam, but you must know this for the purpose of convenience. Steps for calculation. First is we have to calculate n by 2. We have to know the half of n. It is the half of the total number of frequencies, right? So first thing we have to do is that we have to find out the exact 50%. That is, if the n will be 30, then the exact 50% will be 15. If the n will be 50, the exact 50% will be 25, because we have to get that n by 2 so as to know or plot the median. Then after finding out this n by 2, we have to calculate the cumulative frequencies by adding the frequencies as per the spread of the scores along the class intervals and place it in a separate column. We have to make a separate column. There will be two columns. One is the class interval, the second one is the frequency, and a third column we have to do is that will be called as cumulative frequency, like this, CI, F, then QMF. So next is we have to find out n by 2 value. The value which we have found out here, that value is to be found out in the cumulative frequency. जो cumulative frequency दिया होगा यहाँ में ऐसे, उसमें जो n by 2 निकला है उसको हमको देखना है कहाँ में है. Then we have to plot the median there, because we know the median is the exact 50%. Therefore, we have to plot the median where n by 2 falls. Then we have to find out the lower limit of the corresponding class interval where we plot the median. जहाँ में हम median लिया उसका corresponding class interval को हम लोग लिखेगा वहाँ में median lies here, and उसका जो lower score है, class interval में एक तो upper score होता है, एक लोअर स्कोर होता है. जो लोअर स्कोर है उसका हम लोअर लिमिट निकालेंगे. कैसे निकालेंगे ना? दिस लोअर लिमिट कैन बी फाउंड आउट बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 0.5, है ना, 0.5, subtracting 0.5 from the lowest score of the class interval where median lies. So here if we see that median lies here, therefore we have to go this way, right? This way we have to go, and we have to see here 30 to 34 is there. So 30 is the lowest score, therefore we have to subtract 0.5 from 30. Then if you see, next is plot F. F means which is the total number of cumulative frequencies below the median. So we know that median lies here, that means below here, what is the cumulative frequency? Next frequency below, just below the median is 8. Therefore, our F will be 8. Then we have to find out the FM, or the frequency of the class interval where median is plotted. So where median is plotted, median जहाँ में है उसका frequency exact here is the median, therefore this frequency will be our FM. Then we have to find out the size of the length of the class interval, which is 5. How we know? Here 20 to 24, it can be 5, it can be 10, it can be 3. So you have to see that. Then now we have to put the formula and get the answer. Let us take the example. Here we have taken the example that there are some class intervals and the frequencies. This assignment is being given, right? So first thing we have to do is that we have to find out n by 2. We know n is 30. N by 2 will be definitely 15. So it gives us 15. So if the score 15 is there, then next step is we have to calculate the cumulative frequencies. Actually, some of the students fail to calculate this cumulative frequency. How it goes? It goes just like a zigzag. We know Z. You must know the English letter Z. How it goes? So see, the lowest one, if we see the class interval, we'll find 20 to 24 is at the bottom and 45 to 49 is at the top. If the 20 to 24 is at the top, so we should go from here itself, right? बट नाउ बिकॉज इट इज़ गिवन हियर 20 to 24, यहाँ में 20 to 24 जो दिया हुआ है ये लोएस्ट स्कोर है, हाँ या ना? तो और 45 to 49 जो है वो हाईएस्ट है, टॉप में है. अगर उसको उल्टा दिया जाए, मतलब 20 to 24 ऊपर की तरफ और 45 to 49 नीचे की तरफ, तो हमको यहाँ से कैलकुलेट करना था 2 यहाँ में लिखना था 2 + 4, देन यहाँ में लिखना था 6, है कि नहीं? मगर क्योंकि ऐसे है तो देखो पहले आता है 3 आया, देन 3 में 5 जोड़ो, कितना आया? जेड जैसा हो रहा है ना, देखो जस्ट लाइक ए जेड, ये सुनो जिगजैग रोड देखा है ना, इस तरीके से 3 + 5 8 + 10 18 + 6 24 + 4 28 + 2 30, yes or no? But if these scores, this 20 to 24 would have been here, 25 to 29 would have been here, and the frequencies remain the same, we must go like this: 2 + 4 6 + 6, कितना होगा? 12 + 10 22 + 5 27 + 3 30. Okay, so we have here this cumulative frequency is calculated this way: 3 + 5 8. We have to go on adding from the bottom end where the lower score is there, right? So now after finding out these cumulative frequencies, we have to plot where 15 is. 15 कहाँ में है? नहीं है, कहीं पे 15 नहीं लिखा है, but 15 is here within 18, and we have to go this way. This way you have to go, and then we have to move like this way. So the corresponding class interval is 30 to 34 with a frequency of 10, right? Therefore we have to find the lower limit of the class interval, that is 30 to 34, and this lower limit will be 30 minus 0.5 is equal to 29.5. Here it is written. Then F means the cumulative frequency is below the median, मतलब median जहाँ पे है उसका exact below cumulative frequency. Which one? This one. Yes or no? Sometimes thus when the score is given in the reverse order, that is towards the top end, so lower scores are there, we have to move from this way, right? If the median will be there, then the previous one. Okay, then the F is being found out here 8. FM means frequency of the median, where median lies, right? This is 10, and I means size of the class interval. Now putting the formula, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus F divided by FM multiplied by I. 29.5 plus, putting these values, 29.5 is our L, yes, then n by 2 is 15, minus 8 is the F, divided by FM is 10, and multiplied by 5. So it gives us 15 minus 8, 7 by 10 divided by 5. 7 by 10 gives 0.7 into 5, 29.5 plus 3.5 is equal to 33. This is our median, right? So please do an exercise. I am sending just now the video, and also do this exercise and send me the copies, okay? And have you tried the previous one, like this median that I have given? If you have tried, so please show me what did you try, okay? Basically the on group data, median from on group data, when n is even, n is odd, it's very easy, but when n is even, it's a bit difficult, okay? Thank you.